All right, time to start working on the new project. We finally got it home today. Oh yeah. Well, I got it home last night, but it was a little late. Didn't want to start it up outside. Be a little too loud for everybody. So here we are on a nice Sunday morning to start the project. I did cover it up last night. Preliminary findings, I'm gonna have to do a lot with the suspension. A lot of stuff needs to be replaced. But here she is on the trailer, and I'm about to take her off of there. Honestly, this is gonna be a great adventure. I've been telling my team that I can't wait to work on this thing. Whew, the sun's bright outside today. I just ended up waking up. But this thing behind me is gonna be a blast. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it uncovered. I need to pull the trailer up a little bit so I can back it off, and then we're gonna get in the driveway and I'll talk more about the plans on what's going on with my new BMW. Front bumper. This is too low for the angle to get it off of the trailer, and like when I loaded it up, I don't have extra pieces of wood here. So, and my ramps, I guess, are over at my mom's house currently. So let's see if we can get this bumper off. Looks like it doesn't have too many points holding it. There's some zip ties here. Those are usually rubbers. There's that. Just loosening it. Oh, yep, got it out. Okay, here we go. All right. So this is all fiberglass, and I will be probably sanding this thing for days. But it's gonna turn out awesome when I'm done with it. But I had to pull this off to be able to back this thing off the trailer. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and back it off the trailer now. Got the front bumper off. Give you a look at her in the sunshine. A beautiful white. Stickers to pull off and get it prepped. Tons of carbon fiber to work with. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy off the trailer and into the garage. Today I'm gonna move the other BMW out of the garage. We're gonna get this bad boy in and up on jack stands because I've got a ton of work to do in the front because I see a lot of play in these wheels. Plus, I need to get these fenders off and everything because I wanna get into the brake booster. And I did check a couple of mounts when I was laying on the ground on the trailer. Looks like the lower mounts, lower control arms, definitely gotta be replaced. I also see some brake juice on the nice pretty white wheels, so that's telling me we probably got something going on with those calipers, so may get a rebuild kit and rebuild those brim bros. This thing's gonna be amazing. This is just what it looks like when it starts. It's not gonna look anything like this when I'm done with it. So stay tuned. So we got her into the garage, and I can definitely tell right off the bat we're gonna have to look into vacuum lines and look into probably the brake booster. I think we're gonna probably do a lot of exploring first. So in this next series of videos, more than likely inspection time. Lift the car up. We're gonna go ahead and get the tires off, take a look at the braking systems themselves, see if I need to get brim bro replacement or rebuild kits. Definitely gonna be pulling all of the brake fluid out of the whole system and replacing all the brake fluid. I do have the necessary tools to do that project, so that's gonna be amazing. It's got the M3 rear brakes, so I'll probably leave those alone, and then down the road maybe move over to the other brim bros. I do have to get some of the other parts from the original owner. A lot of people love the flag, the racing flags, so maybe I can put something back on there. Maybe I'll have some more vinyl created and we'll have that put on there. A lot of people are loving the bullet holes, but I do want to take the time and see if I can do a little bit of body work, maybe bring these out a little bit. It'll go more with the theme. This gets to go first, and wiring, suspension, it's going to be plenty of enough. So the first things we're going to do is just check over the suspension and see which parts we need to buy. I can already tell that we're going to need to replace some of the front wishbone suspension arms, so we may as well go ahead and buy a full kit for the front, and as well maybe just get a whole urethane kit for the rear, and you know, eventually we may have this thing all the way apart and then put it all back together and have a blast with it. And I hope you guys come along for the ride. So this is the beginning of the new series. It's in the garage now. All we gotta do now is fix it.